Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Students, I am your teacher Ayesha Maqsood from Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. We start with the message of the day. Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Today, our lesson is from subject mathematics, class 1. Here are some objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to number 1. Know about the multiples of 3. Number 2. Learn table of 3. And number 3. Write table of 3. What does this sign represent? You have learnt about the plus sign and the minus sign, which are used for addition, and minus sign is used for subtraction. In the same way, we use this sign for multiplication. We can do multiply small digits with each other easily with the help of the tables. I must tell you something very important. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of numbers. Say, for example, if we use multiplication in table of 3, there is a pot of 3 flowers in it. We can say that 1, 3 are 3, and we can write this 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3. Then there is another pot, 1 and 2 pots with 3 flowers each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We can add 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here 6 flowers in 2 pots. And if we multiply these 2 multiply 3, the answer is 6. 2, 3 are 6. Answer is same. If we add 2 digits, answer is 6, and when we multiply this, answer is 6. We can write this 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Next we have 3 pots with 3 flowers each. We can add 3 plus 3 plus 3, total 9 flowers. It's long process. Simple, we multiply this 3, 1, 2, 3 and multiply 3. Answer is 9. Both answers are same, but it is simple way. Next we have 4 pots. Each pot has 3 flowers. We can add this 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Answer is 12. Now multiply this 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Answer is same, but addition is the long process and multiplication is the simple process. Next example, 5 piles of square. Each pile has 3 square. 1, 2, 3. 3 square. Add these 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Answer is 15. Simply we multiply these. 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. Answers are same, but addition is the long process and multiplication is the simple process. So our topic of today is table of 3. Let's start table of 3. 1 threes are 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15, 6 threes are 18, 7 threes are 21, 8 threes are 24, 9 threes are 27, and 10 threes are 30. It's table of 3. Here is recapitulation. We revise the table again. 1 threes are 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15, 6 threes are 18, 7 threes are 21, 8 threes are 24, 9 threes are 27, and 10 threes are 30. Here is assignment for all of you. Learn table of 3 and write on your notebook. Allah Hafiz.